Welcome, dear listener, welcome to this warm and gentle space by the fire, where nothing is demanded of you and everything is allowed to soften tonight. You are invited to rest beside a Christmas fireplace that has been quietly burning for longer than memory itself, a fire that does not rush you or ask you questions, a fire that simply glows and waits and remembers. It remembers the sound of slow footsteps on cold evenings. It remembers hands extended toward warmth after long days. It remembers the way winter used to feel when the world seemed larger and time moved more gently. This fire was here before the room was quiet, and it will remain long. After the night deepens, its crackle is soft and steady like a heartbeat you forgot. You were listening for each small sound rising and falling, as if the flames themselves are breathing with you, welcoming you without words. The fire does not shine to impress, it burns patiently, humbly, as if it understands that true comfort is never loud. It knows that some people come here carrying heavy thoughts and tired hopes. And so it offers warmth without asking for anything in return. The glow spreads slowly across the room, touching the walls and the floor, and finally settling round you like an old familiar embrace. The shadows it creates are gentle, not sharp. They move slowly, like memories drifting in and out, memories of winters long ago when nights felt endless, yet safe, when stories were told softly and silence felt like companionship rather than emptiness. The fire remembers all of this and more. It remembers laughter that once echoed nearby and conversations that faded into quiet smiles. It remembers moments when the world outside felt harsh, but inside there was always a place to sit and breathe. As you listen now, you may notice how the warmth seems to reach deeper than skin. It loosens the tight places inside. It eases thoughts that have been holding on too long. The fire seems to say without words that you have arrived, and that arriving is enough. There is no need to perform or hurry or become anything else. You can simply be here. The room feels still yet alive, as if the fire is holding the space together thread by thread. The scent of wood and time lingers in the air, familiar and grounding, and with each gentle crackle, the fire releases another fragment of the past, not sharply, but tenderly, reminding you of evenings when the world slowed down and worries were set aside just for a while. The fire has watched many winters pass. It has seen joy and sorrow sit side by side without conflict. It understands that both belong. Its light does not judge the tears that once fell nearby, nor the smiles that followed. It only continues to burn steadily, offering the same warmth to every moment. As you settle closer, you may feel that the fire is not only warming the room, but also illuminating something within you. A quiet place that remembers how to rest, how to listen, how to feel safe in stillness. The fire seems to whisper that it is okay to pause here, okay to let the night carry some of your weight. Outside, the cold may be waiting, and the world may still be demanding, but here in this moment, by this Christmas fire, there's only warmth and time stretching softly before you. The flames rise and fall like a story being told very slowly, a story with no urgency and no ending, yet only presence. And as you continue to listen, the fire remains faithful and calm, holding the night together and welcoming you exactly as you are. As the flames settle into a slower rhythm, your attention is drawn to the space beside them. A chair resting close enough to feel the heat, yet far enough to hold its own silence. This chair has not moved for many winters. It stands exactly where it was placed long ago, its wooden arms smoothed by time, and touch its cushion shaped by someone who used to sit there often without hurry. The fire knows this chair well. It leans toward it slightly, as if acknowledging an old friend there. is a presence in its emptiness, not a cold absence, but a warm remembrance. The kind that lingers gently without causing pain. The fire remembers the way. Someone once sat there every evening during winter, hands stretched toward the glow shoulders. Relaxing slowly as the day released its hold, it remembers the sound of breathing that matched the crackle of the flames. Calm and steady, it remembers stories told softly into the room, sometimes funny, sometimes thoughtful, sometimes unfinished. The chair listened then. Just as it listens, now holding space with quiet loyalty, Christmas lights nearby blink slowly, casting soft colors across the empty seat, red and gold and green, moving like distant echoes of laughter. The fire does not rush to fill the silence. It understands that some silences are sacred. It burns a little warmer, as if offering comfort not only to the listener now, but also to the memory that still belongs here. This chair carries moments that never fully disappear. Moments of shared warmth, of quiet understanding, of simply being together. Without needing words, the fire remembers how on certain nights, hands would reach out from that chair to adjust a log, or to warm fingertips just a little longer. It remembers the sound of a sigh that meant relief rather than sadness, the kind of sigh that comes when a person feels at home. As you listen now, you may feel a softness around your own heart, a recognition of places and people that once offered this same comfort. The fire seems to encourage this remembering gently, never forcing it, allowing memories to rise like embers and fade when they are ready. The chair remains still, dignified in its emptiness, proving that absence does not erase presence. It only changes its shape. The fire continues to crackle steadily, as if speaking directly to the space beside it, acknowledging all that was shared there outside the window. The winter night holds steady snow resting quietly on the ground. Inside, the warmth wraps around both the listener and the memory, creating a room where past and present coexist peacefully. The fire understands that Christmas is not only about what is here now, but also about what has shaped us, about the people who taught us how to sit in silence without fear, how to find comfort in small rituals, how to let warmth pass from one soul to another without words. The chair does not feel lonely. It feels honored, as if it knows it played its part well, and the fire continues to burn beside it, not to replace what was, but to keep it gently alive. As you remain here listening, the fire seems to say that it is okay to remember, and okay to feel that nothing truly meaningful is ever lost. It simply becomes part of the warmth we carry forward. The room stays quiet, the flames glow steadily. The chair waits without longing, and you are invited to stay with this. Feeling as long as you need, held by the fire, surrounded by memory, safe within the calm of this Christmas night. As the warmth settles deeper, your awareness drifts toward the window, where the outside world rests beneath falling snow. The glass is cool but calm, and beyond it the night unfolds. Softly snowflakes descend without hurry, each one finding a place to rest, as if the earth itself has asked for forgiveness and been granted it. Footprints disappear, roofs soften, edges blur, and the world becomes kinder under this quiet white blanket. The fire watches the snow with quiet understanding. It knows that winter does not come to punish, but to pause, to hush the noise and allow healing to begin. Inside the room, the glow remains steady and welcoming. Shadows move gently across the walls, like slow memories passing through the mind. You may feel your breathing begin to match the rhythm of the flames, and the falling snow slow, deep, unforced worries that once felt sharp begin to lose their weight, as if the night itself has agreed to carry them for you. The fire seems to whisper that you do not need to solve everything tonight. That rest is not a reward, but a necessity the snow outside keeps falling patiently, covering old marks and unfinished pots, reminding you that it is always possible to begin again gently. The room feels held between two kinds of peace. The warmth within and the stillness beyond the glass, and in this balance, something inside you loosens thoughts, slow emotions soften, and the constant effort of holding yourself together finally eases. Christmas lights glow quietly, reflecting in the window like distant stars. The fire crackles softly as if in agreement with the night, saying stay a little longer, breathe a little deeper, let the snow do its quiet work, and let the warmth remind you that you are allowed to rest. Nothing is being taken from you here, only given time, warmth, and permission to simply be. The snow continues to fall, the fire continues to burn, and you remain exactly where you need to be, safe, calm, and unhurried within this peaceful Christmas night. As the flames rise and fall, they begin to tell their quiet stories, not with words, but with movement and warmth. Each flicker feels like a memory being shared carefully, slowly, with kindness. The fire has seen many nights like this, and it carries lessons learned through patience. It speaks of moments when life felt heavy yet somehow continued, of hearts that cracked but did not shatter, of people who stumbled yet found their way back to warmth again. The fire does not judge these stories. It simply holds them and offers their comfort to you. Now its glow deepens and softens, as if inviting you to lean closer, not physically, but inwardly, reminding you that there is strength in gentleness and courage in resting. The crackling sound becomes a steady reassurance, like a voice saying, you are doing enough, you have always been enough. The fire understands the quiet battles fought in silence, the effort it takes to keep going when no one is watching, and so it burns steadily without urgency, teaching by example. That consistency can be calm and endurance can be soft. The warmth reaches places inside you that words never quite touch, easing old tensions, loosening long-held breaths. The fire seems to share stories of second chances, of doors that remained open longer than expected, of nights when everything felt lost until a single light appeared. And in these stories there is no rush toward an ending, only an invitation to stay present with the warmth outside. The night remains still inside. The fire continues its patient glow, holding space for healing that does not need to announce itself. As you listen, you may feel something within you settle quietly, as if the fire has reminded you of a truth you once knew. The rest is part of the journey, and that even in stillness growth continues. The flames rise and fall softly, speaking without sound, offering comfort without condition, and inviting you to remain here a little longer, wrapped in warmth. Within this peaceful Christmas night, the room feels deeper, now quieter, as if the world has exhaled and decided to rest. The flames continue to burn, not brightly for attention, but steadily with purpose. They have carried you through memory, warmth, and stillness, and now they offer something even softer, a sense of staying. This fire is not in a hurry to fade, and neither is the peace it brings. It understands that some comforts are meant to linger long after the night has passed outside. The snow has slowed, perhaps even stopped, resting quietly on the earth as if satisfied inside. The warmth holds everything together, the memories, the silences, the feelings that surfaced, and the calm that followed. The fire has watched the night change, and yet it remains the same, steady, reassuring, present. It seems to tell you that Christmas is not confined to a date or a season, but lives in moments like this where warmth is shared and time feels kind. As you sit here listening, there is no need to move or decide anything tomorrow. can wait, the world will return when it is ready for now. The fire holds the space and keeps watch, allowing you to rest fully. Without guilt or expectation, the glow softens the room and gently dims your thoughts, guiding you toward a deeper calm. And as this story comes to a close, the fire continues, its quiet song reminding you that you can return to this feeling whenever you need. That warmth can always be found again, so stay as long as you like, breathe slowly, and let the fire burn on through the night. And as the flames whisper softly into the silence, remember this: you are safe, you are warm, and you are never truly alone.